when everybody know your name? How do you make $1 million and still stay the same? How do you make 100 million and still stay sane? You got the money, the clothes, the cars, the girls. Trying to do better with all the shit in your world. Something regular, what you prefer. When it's cool, it's too much pressure. You think you should come on the verge of backing up and going back to where I came from. Now that these rappers are only running the same ones. Now that these girls, we all fucking the same ones. I ain't giving chances no more, I already gave one. Getting money, you better say so. Don't be afraid of mistakes, cause you gotta make some. It takes time for the man, gon' be a man and do what he gotta do. Baby, this is rolling papers too. Turning back, I'm learning that if you ever show someone love, you deserve it back. If you got an ounce of some papers, you should burn it back. And if you ever do take a loss, you can earn it back. Never slack, never overreact. Let your money stack. Look at where you're going and not where you at. You gon' get there if you work hard.
All right, let us start. Welcome, Kashif. How are you doing, bro?
I'm here.
Yes,
I'm here.
Great. How are you doing?
And I think everyone else is, yeah, they will also join.
Yes. All right. Should we wait for them or should we straight start, I think? So they can get everything. And we just wait. Another 2 minutes.
Yeah.
All right. Do this. Did you have a look on EURUSD? Looks pretty good in my eyes.
No, I did not. Actually, I was looking at GBPCHF.
Yes.
And USDCHF.
Yes, as well. Okay.
Yes, USD is very weak these days.
Yeah.
Yo. Also, Nasdaq will tank. You know.
Yes, exactly. Well, I'm right now looking at EURUSD. It looks for me like a midweek reversal. Market makers came up, worked yesterday's high. Yesterday broke out of Friday's high and Thursday's high. So which was literally the high of the week. So in my opinion, market the weekly structure is set up. Market makers already came up to yesterday's high. Didn't break it, so in my eyes it's a confirmation to us. Like we also have this rejection zone here. They stop punted this zone one more time again. They already did this here, so we could see a drop at least to 1.0950. So this would be my first analysis for the session. Our stop loss, check this out, guys. Let me check this out. Our entry is right about here. Take profit 1 would be around 70 pips.
Wow, USDCHF is tanking. It already break out of the channel. And
good day, guys.
Hey guy, what's up? Yeah. How are you doing?
If it broke the support, USDCHF, amazing.
Right, thanks. I'm good as well. All right.
Yeah, I think it's on sale right now.
Please.
USDCHF.
Yes, it did something perfectly. Nice.
Confirmed is here.
I don't think that they will continue to this lower level. I think we see some type of another midweek reversal then, because now it's following the trend.
We have to keep an eye on the oil prices as well, and I will explain why the gold jumped.
Yeah, you can do this. You can do it.
Mr. Trump, the market maker.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
And please, I want you guys to check out GBPCHF. Like,
yeah, we will do this. Give us 5 minutes, bro, and then we'll
different scenarios.
So, what do you want to say, bro? What do you want to say about gold? Let us know. That's crazy. So at this point, they just accumulated more. Yes. Kashif, are you there, bro?
Wow. USDCHF. By the way, USDCHF has broke.
Kashif, I thought you just wanted to say something about gold
on a daily level.
Actually.
And now it is going to tank down.
All right, guys. So here we see a perfect trap. Why? Why is it a trap?
No matter what I do.
What is the market maker doing, and what are retail traders expect, or what is that human expectation?
Funny correction.
On this one setup you see right here.
Waiting for a news.
Okay.
I call it human expectations zone. Yeah. So I will make this something like this. So guys, if we see here 1, 2, 3 touches, yeah, to the resistance, retail traders are willing to sell at the zone, yeah. So they put their stop losses, I don't know, maybe so 20 to 30 pips above this high. That is why market makers became this resistance level as support, yes. So we always see at level 3 rises most of the time an extended stub hunt. This is another variation of a trap. So as you know, guys, we already, you guys already know what traps are in some kind of it. And in this example, the trap has been set up with resistance. Became support, yes. So this is our trap on level 3 rise or drop, then it would be vice versa. So we saw buyers stop hunting, yes, while introducing more buyers when this zone became the support zone. So what is market maker doing? They came up, hit all the stop losses while introducing more buyers, yes. So, and what is the solution? It comes up, make this M. And in my opinion, it's willing to drop. So because every trap and every confirmation retail traders already got is enough for the market maker to reverse the market. So yes, this is my opinion on GBPCHF.
Okay.
Yes.
All right, thank you.
No problem.
Because actually on 15 minutes and 1 hour, it broke the trend line, so that's why.
We could also use or look at the DMA. Gotten known entry, but it's not a problem because I already think because of the structure it's ready to fall. If you want to get another another confirmation, sorry, just wait for the crossover. I would highly recommend to you to use the 15 or 30 minutes time frame for this. So you wait for the crossover and retest. I think this could happen after consolidation, you know, so they climb a little bit deeper, going up one more time and then shift the zone away. But in my opinion, this is also a nice entry now. So yes, you just have to
thank you.
your stop loss a little bit higher. All right, guys, let's move on to the next one. We talked about EURUSD. We talked about GBPCHF. Let's take a look at EURJPY, what it's doing. I will delete everything. Yes, all right. So if we look at EURUSD, we see another type of weekly structure. So while most people got trapped on Friday, so Friday was our trap day. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday will be induction, I think, of the trend. So in my opinion, we will definitely probe this, I would say, retail traders call it support, yes. We call it a trap zone, liquidity zone, so they go for the next one before they're actually willing to reverse the trend. Yes, and go for the next stop losses of the sellers. All right, do you guys have any questions? Let us know.
Could you also look at the AUDUSD pair?
Sure.
Thank you.
Sure, no problem. I was selling it today in the morning from this point here. It still looks like a good sell. We already got what we need, and in some case it looks like USDCAD, which we were talking about a few days ago, or maybe a week ago. I don't know, I'm sure. So yes, guys, another great example of this support, of this resistance became support. Well, this is our trap zone above here, above the EMAs. Yes. So if we look now for from position for short, if this is our entry zone, Tuesday, Monday, Friday, Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday, Sunday, Monday. This is last week's low. So if we are using pump and dump, now this was a pump for last week. We got a trap set up on Sunday because, or better said, today. So Tuesday reversal. Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday are most of the time reversal days. So keep this in mind, guys. Sunday, Monday, and Friday are trap days normally. So another great example here with resistance became support. So market makers give retail traders all the confirmations they need, and retail traders are not dumb at all, you know, guys, not at all. But market makers wants to play with them, you know, so giving them all confirmations they need to think this trend is, while it's so obvious that it's going to go higher or make higher highs. So this is pump and dump, pretty good example. Like this one here too. And yes, this happens every week. So all right, I would say we move to the next one. Kashif, do you have any setups, bro?
Nice.
Okay, you made me the host.
I just want to know if you have some setups you want to talk about, bro.
Yeah, let's talk about CAD.
USDCAD.
Yeah, hey.
All right.
I kind of knew you was gonna talk about USDCAD.
You know, because there is CAD news coming tomorrow. You know,
Right.
so you should know
Interest rates.
where the market maker will drop the bombs on you.
Now it's our mission to find out what he's doing.
Yeah. Okay.
So everyone was expecting here to go up, like myself too. I got out with, I think, 50 pips on this one, 100 on this one. Oh no, I think this one was this. Oh no, here, this one, yes. And this one I caught also, closed here. But look at this, guys. So we already had the support. Yes, these
Broken.
yes, broken, stop hunted. Yes. So and they create the low of the week. What about here? So in this area. So this looks also like a W formation in my opinion, if you ask me. So we have today Tuesday, Wednesday, first day, reversal day. So if we look at this point here, this area, and if we, how do I say this? Compare this to another one. I think EURUSD was this one. I'm not sure. Like this one, guys. Yes. So this was probably Wednesday or Thursday, I think so. And we literally have the same setup happening. Yes, this was multi-session work below 2 days. I said yes, 2.5 days. So, fucking, which one was which one was the last one, bro?
USDCAD.
USDCAD, thanks, bro. Sorry.
So just compare it with the oil. What I want to tell them, you know, how to know when the market maker is going to switch, you know. Of course, he will push the trigger on USDCAD right before. So tomorrow is the news, just for you guys' knowledge, you know.
Yes.
And I will tell you what time is it. Wait a second. So even before the news, they will kill everyone, you know. Around, I will share with you exactly, but I was actually reading the whole scenario. But the change, that shift from the CAD bank is going to come tomorrow. Okay, so it will be like CAD weakness. So CAD weakness is dollar's strength. A bit of choppy movement, not much push higher, but there will be a buy.
Yes.
But before that, they will react as if, like the market maker will react as if it's going to sell. You know, in the Asian session, it will, and the London session, they might show that they are selling, and suddenly the surprise solution.
Yes, exactly.
People will react to the dumping a bit, and then it will cross it. You know.
Yes.
Just if you look at your what is this called? Yeah, something like, it has already done a lot of downward movement. People are expecting more downward movement toward 1.37.
Yeah, I think market makers will come to the zone today, later, accumulating there, and tomorrow we will see a USDCAD going higher. So this is what I want to say.
Yes, yeah, I would say the same. You know, the next one is have a look at our dear gold.
On gold.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Something is happening. So guys, GBPCHF, just for your kind reference, GBPCHF has broken its resistance and on the 1 hour chart, and it's going in exponential buy. That means it will sell in a while. Tomorrow, not today. So yeah, gold. What do you say about gold? What do you think is happening with gold?
I'm not sure right now what I should think.
Okay, I'll share my opinion then.
Yes.
My opinion is broke out at 1679.
Hmm.
Then there was a support at 1696. It broke that out as well. Then 1701 was the next one, and then 1706. And last night it retested after going to 1725. Back on 1706, it was again a buy, and right now it has broken out of the resistance 1723. And I will tell you what is its next target. Okay, wait, I have to zoom. Wait, breakout. Where is the my chart? It has gone out of the chart even. So its take profit is at 1750.11.
Okay.
And the next one will be okay. The second one will be at 1793.45. This is according to my chart, and then 1836. And from there, God knows where it's going. This is what how I feel about gold. And I calculated these levels from the Fibonacci.
All right. So yeah, let's wait. Let us wait.
Yeah, there are two news today this week. One is the US and one is the Chinese. Chinese already came. That is positive. That turned the whole equity market in positive, and so the US market as well. And that's why you are seeing dollar USD JP partial, because USD is not considered as a safe haven right now, because most of the money is going into what it is called commodities currencies, AUD, NZD, things like this. So that's why Japanese yen is stronger than and somehow it will just go back up. USD JPY will go in a buy in some time, I think so. And there is a strong support at 107 for USD JPY.
Yes, here.
Yeah.
Yes.
And
was thinking
the most, yeah, yesterday market maker killed a lot of people on Nasdaq. If you open Nasdaq,
sure.
And there is a big support and resistance coming up now for it to, that will decide. Yeah, go to the 4 hours time frame. Yeah, if you go to the 4 hours, yeah, look at, there is a resistance coming up now.
Yes,
strong
here.
Resistance. So from here we expect a down it's a strong resistance.
Yes. This one here.
It's a very, very strong resistance, and market maker will accumulate a lot of, it will show that it's going vertical, but
yes.
It will not go. It will retrace. I cannot expect a V-shaped recovery. If you go to daily time frame, right now the recovery is D-shaped. Zoom out on the daily time frame. You see the recovery on Nasdaq is D-shaped.
Yes.
Oh, V-shaped. Sorry, it's not a W kind, not of a W. If you go to, it's a daily time frame.
No, bro, that's the 1 hour.
Go to daily. So if you see, yeah, it's kind of a V-shaped recovery happening, but I don't see, it should touch and come down a bit again, and then pump up. Right now, everyone is thinking that it is going up, but I don't think so. Something is coming up in April. So crossover happened.
Yes.
Everyone is thinking that it's going up.
Yes, but I
basically,
think for the next confirmation, there has to be a pullback, definitely.
Pullback, yeah.
Yes.
There will be a pullback at resistance.
Yes.
Right now, it will go flat up. So yeah, what next could be there? Let's look at GBP USD. GBP USD is very interesting. It's kind of touch me not area.
Oh damn! Deleted everything. Shit. No, that was all my back testing. Fuck.
How it was deleted?
Yes, I
Who
deleted
deleted it?
everything. Everything. Fuck.
No worries.
Ah, damn.
Okay.
All right, no problem.
So the thing here is GBP USD. GBP USD is, I will tell you, the target zone right now for GBP USD news. The market maker is 1.32. Okay, and the pivot point will be 1.27. Okay, 27. From there, it can go up or can come down as well. Right now, it is at what is the level? 1.2. What is the level? It's 1.2578. So it is waiting for that level. On that level, it will decide either to go up. Right now, it is going to kill everyone.
Yeah.
Many people open sell in the morning, but actually it killed it.
Yes.
Actually, it killed like anything. So it is very risky to enter GBP USD unless it reaches its pivot point, and that is
actually waiting for a good setup. You know,
yeah.
not only just jumping in to hope for the best.
Yeah. No, it's not a zone right now. It has already, the train has left the station. We'll wait for the next station.
That's the point. Excellent.
Otherwise, anyone would get killed in this pump and dump scenario.
Yes.
It's an
overextended.
Generally, it's an it should not behave like this. Okay. Fundamentally, GBP is weak. Okay. Their GDP is 5% down for 2020, 5 to 7%. So it means the bias is against GBP. But why it's traveling up? Because the weakness of US dollars. That's it. If you see GBPCHF is selling, GBPJPY is selling. Why it's selling? Because GBP is not strong enough. Now GBP USD will tank hard downwards as soon as the dollar gains some strength. You know?
When you're done with that, could you also take a look at USD ZAR?
Sure.
USD ZAR, the most favorite.
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Great.
It's doing what you have.
Yes, exactly.
Exactly, doing the copycat, you know,
yes.
the movement.
Yeah, in my opinion,
buy.
We already got the low here worked. So DMS got flat, which is an indication as a tool for us that the trend could be reversing. So if we go on the lower time frame, we would also see a type of W formation right about here, where trend traders put their trend lines then here. And so in my opinion, we could see a rise now as a midweek reversal. And yes, first take probably would be probably here, like the last zones for the sell. Sorry for the buy. All right.
Yeah.
Hi guys, I've got a question, if you don't mind, please.
Sure.
Actually, I wanted to ask, like, what's the best pair for swing trade, and what are the confirmation one needs to know, something like that. Yeah.
If you
because I usually do scalping, yeah, just scalp and yeah.
Do you watch our latest videos on YouTube?
You said yeah, I do watch your videos on YouTube.
Yes, okay, great, because there we go much more and deeper in the setups we trade. So
okay,
when to take the trade, you know. So
okay,
I would recommend to you to go to our latest one we're talking about, but you can also check out the other ones. So they are all pretty good, and most of the people like this. So I think you will definitely learn something new there. So we are also talking about the setup, the wedge pattern, more in depth with correlation of mass manipulation and market manipulation. So
Okay.
yes, if this webinar ends in a few minutes, you can go there and check out the videos. So yes.
All right.
All right.
Thank you.
No problem. You're welcome. You're welcome. So as I said, for USD SAR, I see a buy. Pretty good buy. Kashif, what do you say?
I say it will be a buy, but it will go, you know, a bit choppy.
Yes.
It will shy first of all, showing the head and shoulders, like it, you know, what it does. What it has done. It has made people believe that it's going for a head and shoulders main multi-session pattern.
Yeah.
But actually, it is not, and it's a continuation of the pattern, you know, upward.
Yeah.
There is no way ZAR is going to come up in the near future. Let's say May, June, maybe it'll be a reversal, but I don't think so. Wow, USD is like a
So perfect example on the other side. Trap, shift, induction, continuation. Perfect. So, and it is continuation you can always get in, you know? So
yeah.
literally the best one would be at the induction. So
Yeah.
yes, if you're looking for this type. All right. So any other setups?
There's not much on my side. Or set up GV JPY. If you go there, GBP Euro JPY. I think market will push towards the risk of sentiment in a while.
Mm-hmm.
As soon as right now, since the indices are being pumped by the countries and the quantitative easing by the banks, national banks, that's why you see the what is beta currencies like Aussie and New Zealand strong and CHF and JPY a bit weaker against the commodity currencies. So right now, GBP US AUD, GB AUD, how is it going? It's already, I think, reached its, already going downward, I believe so.
Yes.
And there is a news that is coming. Today? Yes, today.
But not high impact.
But not high impact.
No. No.
But tomorrow there is USD news, huh?
Yes.
The most important.
And CAD.
And the CAD. CAD will come later on. That will decide how it goes on the CAD pairs.
All right. Yeah, GBP odd could be a buy. I think so.
Yeah.
I think so. Could be a pretty nice buy.
It will retest the trend line and then go up. Maybe.
Yes, in my eyes, this was a trap here. Last trap I did. Making a W then, you know.
Yeah.
1, 2, free, given confirmation, stop hunt, making them, this W, playing around like this, and then this. Yes. So in my opinion.
Great. Yeah, I would highly agree. We are waiting for the news for tomorrow for the CAD and USD.
Yes. All right, so I think that was literally everything I want to cover up this webinar, this session. If you have any questions left, just let us know in the chat. And if not, yes, I would say that was everything for the day.
Yeah. For now, it looks fine. Everything covered, and yeah, let's hope for the best.
Yes. All right, no questions. So yeah, thanks for tuning in. Bye-bye.
Bye. Ciao.
Ciao.
Bye.